I'm John from Casting Style, and these are the Kadai Beads. They're a really great way to help protect your Kadai. So you pour them into the bottom of your Kadai in the bowl, and it helps protect the metal surface from the heat of the wood or the charcoal that you've got burning in your Kadai. It will also help raise the charcoal to a higher level inside your Kadai, so it makes it easier to cook on. And not only that, it then protects the floor or your patio or your wooden decking from the heat that's coming from underneath your Kadai, creates a nice insulated barrier. And also we found that wood itself, when you use it as an open fire, burns a lot better on the Kadai beads than it does on the metal surface of the Kadai itself. They're actually made from expanded clay, so they're really heat proof. And you can leave them in your Kadai permanently. The rainwater will simply wash through them and wash away any ash that's on the surface of them. And with the filter that's in the bottom of your Kadai, that's going to just drain away and clear through the floor. So that's the Kadai beads. They come in 3 different bag sizes for the 60, the 70 and the 80 centimetre Kadai. So when you order them, make sure you get the right size. It's all explained on our website, so it should be quite easy to do. So perfect solution for the bottom of your Kadai.